Hey there, my name is Brittany Steffen and I'm a Seattle-based sex therapist. Today I'm here to discuss the topic of withholding sex in a relationship. When I hear the term withholding sex, a lot comes to mind. It's an emotionally charged subject. The first thing I think of is that for some people, sex is a want. They enjoy it, but it's not their primary love language. For others, sex is an important need. It's how they show love and feel loved, so when their need for intimacy is not being met, it can be really painful. One of the first things I talk about with these couples is entitlement. We are not entitled to sex with our partners. No one is entitled to access your body. You get to decide and say when and where with enthusiastic consent. And I think all of us would agree with that sentiment. So with that in mind, I don't generally use the term withholding sex, and instead I talk about intimacy issues with my couples. However, that does not mean that a lack of intimacy in a relationship isn't a problem or isn't very painful or even hurtful. Even in high libido couples, intimacy can increase and decrease with life changes, tough times, and relationship conflict. It's pretty normal not to want to be intimate with someone who's hurt you or who you feel resentful of. In therapy, I work with couples first to uncover the reason for the lack of intimacy, and then to see if the couple has mutual goals for therapy with regards to their sex life. We frequently find out that their sexual goals just are not in alignment, whether over the frequency of intimacy or the sexual activities they want to engage in. All of the couples therapy in the world can't help a couple whose desires just don't overlap. I usually ask couples to break down their sexual interests into needs versus wants. Needs are things you can't compromise on, while wants are flexible. Even if we work on conflict and communication and friendship and roommate issues, such that everyone is in love and happy and healthy, if she has needs around incorporating her kinks into their sex life and her kinks are on his no-go list, and they can't find a mutually satisfying compromise, such as opening their relationship, they will probably continue to struggle with intimacy. Stay tuned for part 2 of this series, hit subscribe for more videos, and leave any questions in the comments.